Okay, so um, our problem is that we have Frankie working at Perk on Main, and she's making $11.55 per hour. So that's amount per hour. So that's amount per group, right? And she works 4.5 or 4.5 hours. So that would be number of groups, right? And the question becomes, what's the total amount of money that she paid? Okay. So that was my understanding. So I know for a plan, I have to multiply $11.55 times my 4.5 hours to figure out how much you made. So here we go. So we have this set up. So that's my plan. So next is to solve. So this is where I'll pick it up. 5 times 5 is 25, right? 5 times 5 is 25 plus your 2 is 27. 1 times 5 is 5 plus 2 is 7. And then 1 times 5 is 5. Okay. And then I need a placeholder. And then 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 4 is 20 plus the 2 is 22. 1 times 4 is 4 plus that 2 is 6. And then 1 times 4 is 4. So I end up with those two numbers. I have to add down 5, 7, 9, 11, and 5. And then what I have to do is I forgot about the decimal, so I have to take care of it at the end. 1, 2, 3 digits to the right of the decimal. So I end up with the answer 51.975, right? So am I done? So this is money, and this is thousands. So do we have thousands in money? So we don't. So now I know you learned about rounding in the past. So what we would do if we end up with thousands in money is we're going to go to our pennies column or our hundredths, right? Right here. You look to the right. If it's 5 or greater, you go up 1. If it's 4 or less, you leave it the same. So the actual answer for this is $51.98. Okay? So 51.975, and then we would actually round that to the nearest penny. Her paycheck for those 2 days would be $51.98. Well, before taxes, but that's another lesson.